Looking for a quick and easy security camera setup? Then you are in luck. In today's episode, we are taking a look at the MOREXIMI outdoor rechargeable security camera. So let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today we have our hands on an outdoor rechargeable security camera setup by MOREXIMI. If you'd like to take a closer look, we have all of our links and details located in the description. This camera looks pretty cool and I like how it's got its own power source that you can charge up without having to run a bunch of cables to it. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. Alright, this is a battery powered IP camera and the battery is built in where you can use it without any wires. So let's check it out. Right out of the top we have the camera. It's got some plastic wrapped around it, some protective plastic covering the lens, the sensors. Very nice. Solid feel on the back. The port, USB-C, that is always good. Memory card slot and the power button. You also get a USB-C to USB cable. Some mounting screws, the mounting bracket, and your paperwork. And that is everything you get right out of the box. Once the app is installed, you can go into the Add Device Setup to add the camera to your 2.4 GHz network. Then you can monitor the camera with the app or change the camera settings. And you also have unlimited camera adds. So you can add as many of these cameras as you want and control them all from one single app. After everything is synced up, you definitely want to make sure you have a full charge before carrying it outside and putting it to use. The rechargeable battery size is 5,000 milliamps and can be used up to 3 to 6 months after a full charge. And that's estimated with around 20 to 40 triggers a day. The mount also worked great. I was able to mount it to a nearby tree, so that way I could monitor traffic in the driveway. You'll also want to make sure that you are in the network range when mounting the camera somewhere. If you're outside the network, then you will not be able to monitor what's happening on the camera. And also keep in mind that it does not support 5G networks. So this camera is set up to track motion detection, so it don't offer all-day recording. When motion is triggered, it will send a notification to your app, while also recording a 10-second video clip onto the memory card. You can also change the record time in the app to 30 seconds, as well as use a custom setup along with custom re-trigger settings. With a 1080p res camera, you get a nice image along with night vision, and also no worries about the weather. Rated at IP65 weather resistant, you can feel safe about setting this camera up indoors or outdoors. There is also a cool two-way audio and alarm feature. Lastly, the device sharing allows up to 2 users to live stream from the camera at the same time while having unlimited shares. Overall, this is a pretty neat security camera. I really enjoy being able to easily put it up without having to run any cords, so if I want to change the location, it's no problem. If you would like to check out this security camera setup, once again, we have our links located in the description, so make sure to check those out. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and get in the comments, let us know what your thoughts are on the security camera setup. And that is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, turn that bell on to receive notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.